Hi, Joy. Hello, Joy. Please unmute yourself once you are ready, Joy. Hi, Joy.
Don't.
Good evening, Joy. How are you feeling now? Okay, okay. Feeling good? Happy?
Very sleepy.
No, not sleepy. It's still 7. No, not. It's still 7. It's 7:31. Really early to sleep, Joy.
I'm very sleepy.
Oh no, but we have to study. Okay, don't worry, it'll be quick. And after learning, you can sleep, Joy. Why are you sleepy? Maybe you are tired. What did you do in the morning? What did you do?
The,
What did you do in the morning, Joy? Did you play?
the, no.
Oh, no, no, no. Okay, don't worry. Our class will be quick this time, Joy, so you can sleep after. But first, let us have this one. Okay, you have to number it. You have to
What for
number it
lunch?
one.
Soup
Mhm.
and salad. Jam. This sound good. Jam. This tastes good.
Okay, very good, Joy. What's for lunch? A soup and salad. That sounds good. Yum. This tastes good. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now let us have the next activity. Okay, so find and no need to write. You have to tell me your answers. What's for dinner, Joy? Blank and blank. That sounds good. What is it?
What? Me, eh,
Okay, so steak and French fries. Okay, wait, let me write it for you, Joy, so you will be guided. Steak and French fries. Okay.
that
That
sound good.
sounds good.
What?
Okay. Now, what about for two? What? What?
What?
What's for?
What for dinner?
Is it dinner? Look, what's
What's
for
your lunch?
lunch? Okay, what's for lunch, Joy?
That's that's
What's for lunch? What is it?
soup and soup and gum. Soup
Okay,
and
soup and
gum.
it's salad. Salad. Soup and salad. That,
That sounds good.
okay, that sounds good. Now, next one, Joy. What about for three?
Fish. What for dinner?
Okay, what's for dinner, Joy? What's for dinner?
I don't know.
What's for dinner? What is it? Look at the picture. It's
It's bread and spaghetti.
okay, bread and spaghetti.
That, that sounds good.
Okay, very good. Now what about for four, Joy? Four.
What for lunch? It's bread and soup.
That
That sounds good.
good. That sounds good. Okay, well done for that one. So now let us proceed in here. Okay, so now, Joy, in here, all you have to do is to fill in the missing letters to form sentence.
I don't know.
Okay, so in here, Joy, like this one. Okay, we have 22, right? Here is 22. It's V. So, V. Okay, now we have here vegetables are very
It's not.
27.
I don't not have 21.
Oh, you don't have 21? We have
No.
20. Where is your pen?
Why? It
Where is your pen, Joy? See, we have it in here. 7. What letter is in 7? What is in 7? It's G.
G.
Okay, so it's
G.
15. Oh, another 15. So another O. And 4 is D. So vegetables are very good for you. That is for 1.
I 25. It's 25. It's Y.
21. Where is your
20.
pen, Joy?
21. It sounds a 21.
U. And 13?
G. Zero. Yum.
13 is? Yes, very good. Yum. This?
Yum. This. Yum. This.
This? 20.
21.
This?
This. One. It's one. A.
19.
19. It is S.
Okay, it's S. 20.
T.
5.
5 is E.
And 19 is?
19 is S.
Okay, very good. Okay, yum. This tastes good. Just
Just 20 is 20 is T.
okay, just
Taste.
is it taste? 18.
18 is R.
And 25?
25 is Y.
Y. Okay, very good. Just try it. Now, what about for 4? I?
23 is W.
A? 14.
14 is 48N.
Okay, and 20?
20. 20 is T.
T. Okay, so I want some French.
6.
French.
6.
French.
6 is S.
Okay, F. French, what is the...
And 18 is R.
Okay, French. Fries. Okay, French fries, Joy. I want some French fries. There you have it. Now, let us proceed to the next activity. What vegetables do you like, Joy?
Like, like, I
Vegetables.
like carrot and what?
Carrots and
Carrots, carrots, and no,
what? Carrots and
and carrots, carrots and carrots.
okay.
Carrot.
Okay, I like carrots. Do you like French fries?
But also,
Do you like French fries?
yeah,
Yes, not just a yes, but yes, I do. Okay, so now, Joy, since we're done with that one, let us proceed to the next one. Okay, so in here, we'll talk about cooking, but of course, let us watch a video first. Okay, so I want you to answer the short quiz while watching the video. Let us start.
the bacon.
Welcome to Burra Market. Look at the food. What do you want? This girl is cooking an omelet. What does she need? She needs eggs and cheese. What's
Eggs
he
and
doing? He's making salad. What does he need? He needs onions, peppers, and carrots. He doesn't need any eggs or cheese. What's she doing? She's making a smoothie. What does she need? She needs bananas and yogurt.
What?
Cooking is a lot of fun. What do you want to make? Do you want to make a fruit salad? What do you need? You need apples,
Answer it.
you need bananas, and you need oranges. Yum! That looks good!
Okay, so now let us check your answers from 1 to 3 first, and you got it all correct. Very good, Joy. Now, let me reset it and let us have the last one. Okay, so the teacher needs apples, bananas, and oranges. What is the teacher making? A fruit salad, an omelette, or a salad? No,
I was sleeping.
we're almost done, Joy. You can answer this one. The teacher needs apples, bananas, and oranges. What is the teacher making? What is it, Joy? Is the teacher going to make a fruit salad, an omelette, or just a salad?
And omelette.
Is it an omelette? But she needs apples, bananas, and oranges. Okay, it's a fruit salad. Okay, a fruit salad. Okay, so now, Joy, since we're done with that, let us have this. Okay, can you tell me what is it, Joy? What is it? It's an omelette. Okay, that is an omelette, Joy. What about the next one? What is it?
Smooth.
Smoothie. Can you say smoothie? Okay, what about this
Fruit salad.
one? What? Okay, and the last one we have.
Milkshake.
Very good, Joy. Now, in here, I want you to read these. Okay, so.
I want to make an omelette. I need some eggs and some milk.
Okay,
I
very
want to
good.
make a smooth. I need some banana and some yogurt. I want to make a fruit salad. I need some oranges and some peaches. I want to make a milk. I want to make a. I want to make a milkshake. I need some milk and some ice cream.
Okay, thank you, Joy. But don't forget, it is Omar, okay? Omar wants to make an omelette. To make an omelette, we need some eggs and some milk. Now, Ella wants to make a smoothie. She needs some bananas and some yogurt. Now, Lisa right here wants to make a fruit salad. To make it, she needs some oranges and some peaches. And the last one, Pam wants to make a milkshake and he needs some milk and some ice cream. So now, Joy, let us have this one. Is it a yes or no? Omar needs bananas.
No. No. No.
Why are you
And I
shouting?
want to make an omelet. Is it or no?
Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Lisa needs some peaches.
No.
Tom wants to make a milkshake.
Yes.
Okay, now let us.
got a star. Star.
Oh, you got a star. Okay, wait. Let us check your answers first. Okay, let us check your answers, Joy. So, no, yes, no, yes. Okay, now the first one, Omar needs some bananas. No, okay, this is correct because he's going to make an omelette. Now, Ella wants to make an omelette. You said yes, but Ella is going to make a smoothie. It should be no, Joy. Lisa needs some peaches. It's yes. Tom wants to make a milkshake. There you have it, Joy. That is the answer there. Now, that is the answer there. Okay, so let us have this one now. So we have yogurt, bananas, and milk.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, can you tell me, Joy, what can we make using these ingredients? We have
A star.
yogurt. Yes, you have stars. See, a lot of stars. Okay, so now, Joy, we have yogurt, bananas, and milk. What can we make using these?
What?
Yogurt, bananas, and milk. What can we make using these?
I don't know.
You don't know? Again, Joy, we are talking about omelette, smoothie, fruit. Yes, I understand, but don't worry, Joy. We are almost done. Okay, can you tell me what can we make if we have yogurt, bananas, and milk?
Yogurt. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, so now it's in here, Joy. We can make a smoothie. Okay, it's smoothie, Joy. Next one.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's okay, Joy. We will practice more. Okay, now we have apples, peaches, and oranges. What can we make if we have these? Can we make omelette, smoothie, fruit salad, or milkshake? Okay, yes, it's fruit salad. Okay, now next one, we have milk, ice cream, and chocolate.
Milkshake.
Mm-hmm. What is it, Joy?
Milkshake.
Okay, very good. Milkshake. And the last one, we have eggs, milk, cheese, and butter.
Milk, cheese. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, it's the last one. We have omelette. Okay, it's omelette, Joy. See, since we're just talking about four here, smoothie, omelette, fruit salad, and milkshake. Okay, so now, since we're done with this one, let us proceed here. Can you tell me, Joy, what is it?
Milkshake.
Okay,
Omelette.
is it Is it milkshake? Are you sure?
No.
It's it's
Eat your juice.
it's a smoothie.
Smoothie.
Okay, now what about this
Milkshake.
one? Okay. This is an omelette. What
Omelette.
about
Milkshake.
this?
Fruit
And this one,
salad.
okay, very good, Joy. There you have it, Joy. Okay, so now we'll just continue the rest. And next meeting, since you keep on complaining that you are sleepy now. Okay, so
Joined a group.
okay, so enjoy the rest of the night with your family. Joy, thank you so much and have a great night. Goodbye, Joy. Good night, Joy.